Aslan. Welcome to Payazi channel.
So today we will be solving 10 riddles Paheli in Hindi. So these riddles are very simple and give you opportunity to think over. So this riddle you can play with your kids and develop their creativity and thinking ability. So in each riddle I will give you 10 seconds to think, and if you need more time, then pause the video. So friends, I am Payazi, the owner of Payazi channel. You are in the right place for your brain exercise and solve the puzzle riddles along with me. So hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss my new video. So friends, let's start with the riddle number 1. So here you can see you can hold it without using your hand or your arms, what it is. So 10 seconds from now, so time starts now. This riddle number 1 is your breath. So let's start with this riddle number 2. What has to be broken before it can be used? Time starts now. So answer to this riddle is
Egg.
So riddle number 3. What has one eye but cannot see? Start. It's needle. So riddle number 4. I live in my little house all alone. There are no windows or doors, and if I want to go out, I have to break through the walls. So what am I? Your time starts now. Answer is chicks in its egg. So riddle 5. Take away my first letter, then take away my second letter, then take away the rest of my letters, yet I remains the same. What am I? Your time starts now. The answer is postman. So next riddle 6 is the more that there is of this, the less you see. So what is it? This is a very confusing. Let's start your time. The more that there is of this, the less you see. So answer is darkness. Riddle 7. I am a box that holds key without locks, yet my keys can unlock your deepest sense. What am I? Your time starts now. This is also a little confusing. So answer to this riddle is piano. The piano has lot of keys and locks. So let's start with the riddle number 8. I have seas with no water, coast with no sand, town without people, and the mountain with no lands. What am I? So this is very simple riddle. So time starts now. So answer is,
Map.
so riddle number 9 is, what tastes better than it smells? Your time starts now. It's tongue. So the final riddle, it belongs to you, but other people use it more than you do. What it is? It's a very simple one. Your time starts now. Still, I will give you 10 seconds. It belongs to you, but other people use it more than you do. Your name. Other people use your name more than you do. So I have a bonus riddle here, the riddle number 11. So what makes me happy? I am not expecting any answer from you. So what makes me happy? Do like the puzzle video, do share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much friends. Bye bye. Payaji signing off.